Hello, my name is Melissa Dan, and I am the new president-elect of Hill Murray School. Welcome to Hill Murray, and welcome to our virtual open house. The COVID-19 pandemic has presented incredible challenges to schools and students and society as a whole. At Hill Murray, we're facing this challenge head-on. We know that in-person learning is best for our students because human connection is now more important than ever before. And that's why we are committed to teaching our students in person as safely as possible. We are one of the only Catholic co-ed high school and middle schools in Minnesota that has in-person instruction every single day since August 17th.
I feel very comfortable about being here every day. I know every single person in the school is taking every single precaution necessary.
It's important for me to be in person so that I can communicate with my teachers.
Really just helps to understand more about what we're learning, why we're learning it.
Hill Murray is a Catholic school grounded in Benedictine and Lasallian traditions, committed to giving our students a strong academic experience in a safe and warm school environment. We encourage dialogue and discovery while fostering integrity, respect, collaboration, and innovation. We celebrate the talents and strengths of each student, preparing you to become ethical servant leaders. Hill Murray isn't just a college prep school. It's a life prep school.
All my teachers, I feel like I'm able to talk to them not only just about what's going on in class, but what's going on in life.
It's not just about the letter grade. It's not just about getting the assignment done or completed. It's about making sure you learn the material, you can use that material, and that you take something more out of the classroom than just facts.
While we challenge our students to be their best by providing a rigorous curriculum, no student is left behind. The Nicholas Center is here to help students every step of the way by providing individual tutoring, workshops, and academic coaching. In short, we support every student to be their best.
The amount of times I've gone up to a teacher and asked, hey, can I sit down with you and go through this extra? I've never heard a no, I've never heard a I'm busy right now. It's always when and how can I help?
One of the reasons why I actually came here is because I felt like the teachers give you extra help, and at a public school that might not be something that they do.
I know my teachers will not look at me and say, oh, you're not smart for not knowing that. They'll be like, okay, here's the answer to this, and help me understand what I'm missing.
And while academics are essential, we also want to make sure our students develop athletically, spiritually, socially, and emotionally. Our students are leaders. And whether it's here at school, in a club, in arts, or an athletic team, or outside of these walls in their home and their community, they graduate with the grit, perseverance, and determination of a pioneer. They are ready to succeed not only in school, but in life. At Hill Murray, we take pride in our Catholic, Lasallian, and Benedictine roots. We give each of our students a solid foundation and a moral compass grounded in faith. And we put these values into action with service. It's what we're called to do as pioneers.
We have a giant sign out front that says, all guests are welcome as Christ, and I truly see that.
The Benedictine values, we learn about them freshman year actually, so it's like right from the beginning you really understand what the school's about.
It's important for me to have that faith in the classroom, in the school, because it's just so unique. It's something that guides a lot of us in our lives.
As you consider your options, I know that Hill Murray will stand out for you. There's a special energy on campus that embodies our mission of every student being known, loved, and respected.
I know I'm more than just a student, a statistic, a number.
I always feel like I'm greeted by a smile or somebody saying hello to me in the morning.
When you come to Hill Murray, it's a whole new look on life, to be honest.
Everyone feels loved at our school.
If you need any help with school, with life, with friends, everybody here is just ready there to support you.
You feel like a family here.
They are just people who I'm always excited to see, and it makes me feel really special, and this place feel really special.
To the future students of Hill Murray, we make this promise. You will find your place. You will be challenged. You will grow. And you will be proud to be a pioneer. We promise you that Hill Murray will change you for the better, and you will change Hill Murray for the better just by being here. We invite you to visit campus, join us at an event, or come for a tour to see for yourself what makes our school so special. Thank you, and go Pioneers!